Thutha wa muthenya mugima wa mihango ya mawakiri gucaria atongoria ao mugwanja, wakiri Nelson Havi niwe urayukirie giturwa kiria kingumo nene gia president wa kiama kia LSK kiria kiraguciriirie ahuraniri ana.
Koguo kahinda gaka kindu kiria kina bata muno kiama-ini kia mawakiri tugucoka haria twari mbere hindi ya the 90s no ni gutuika ati maundu maria mawakiri mena bata namo ma kuthondeka profession ino mundu uratongoria korwo ni aramarora muno.
Ni mwihoko wakwa ati thiini wa ithurano cia umuthi riri ucio wa Law Society no gucoka na thiini wa ithurano cia umuthi andu aria maguthurwo ni maguthurwo andu aria mena wigiririku.
Nelson Havi arashindanaga na Charles Kanjama, Maria Mbeneka na Harriet Chiggai. Charles Kanjama na Maria Mbeneka marari a mbere kuoya moko iguru thutha wa ndariri kuonania Nelson Havi niwe uratongoretie na kura nyingi ona mbere ya kurika kwa mihango ya gutara kura.
As lawyers, we are respectable people. We accept results very quickly, and so the moment it was clear to me, even before all the results had come in, that my classmate Havi had taken an unassailable lead, I called him. I congratulated him.
Nirona ta Nelson Havi kioneki giake takiranyitana na kirorari na kiona nirona ta igugitwarithia na mbere uria we ungirendire.
Kioneki giake ni kia araugaga brave new bar na no nginya twitikie members uguo niguo marendaga na ni marendaga mundu ukuru ukwaria especially haria arona matarathie wega.
Maumirira ma muthia maranireirwo ni arugamiriri a commission ya ithurano bururi-ini IBC aria maratabanagia ithurano ici. Havi arahotanire na kura ngiri igiri magana matandatu ma mirongo mugwanja na ithano arumireirwo ni Mbeneka na kura ngiri imwe magana meri ma mirongo itandatu na mugwanja, Kanjama wa gatatu na kura ngiri imwe magana meri ma mirongo ina na ithathatu na wa mwisho arari Chiggai na kura magana matandatu ma mirongo iri na ithano.
This means that with the provisional results for the president election, and I want to reiterate provisional results for the LSK president, who has emerged ahead of the other candidates, is one Havi Nelson Havi.
Havi ndanahitha gikeno giake gia kuiyukia giturwa giki kiria kirakoragwo kirugamirirwo ni Alan Gishuhi uria ukihera wabici muthia-ini wa mweri ukite.
I think this is the first time in the recent history of the Law Society when candidates in an election call the winner even before the official declaration of the results to indicate their satisfaction with the process so far. My friend Charles Kanjama was the first to call me, followed by Madam Mbeneka, then thereafter Harriet Chiggai.
Now looking forward to my retirement on the 28th of March. And looking forward to welcome Nelson as the next leader of the Law Society. I'm sure Nelson will do a good job as well. And we will also give him all the support. As long as the good thing is, once elections go, we unite together and move on and focus on what our core mandate is.
Riu Havi atigitwo na gibarua kinene gia kugeria kunyitithania mawakiri aya aria marakoragwo na mirugamo itiganite na ndariri ciothe kuma nenda-ini cio kinyaniria cionanitie ati ahota kunyitwo guoko ni mawakiri kuma miena yothe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV gitagwa muitiriri wa Wangari.